Hi guys, my name is Victoria and I'm glad to see you in Ventus Tutorials. Today I help you figure out how to create and then manage your new user account in Ventus Cloud. In few minutes you will see that it is rather easy and quickly. And also, I have a great news for you. After your first registration, you will receive a start credit of 100 euros as a gift for using the services offered by Ventus Cloud. So let's start and enjoy. Following the home page, you can see the next interface. As you are not registered yet, you need to click the button Create New Account. On the next page, you need to fill in the following form. First name, let it be Ventus. Last name, Test. Your email address. Need to create a password. And check that we don't forget to indicate that we agree to the terms and conditions of Ventus Cloud Portal and click the Sign Up. On the next open page, we need to duplicate the information we have provided on the last page, such as first name, last name and email address, and provide additional information. I enter my personal data here and you need to enter yours. And while I fill in these fields, for you it will be useful to hear and notice the following information. Ventus Cloud involves a business system that supports B2B, business-to-business, and B2C, business-to-consumer, commercial communications, transactions, and sales administrations. These two forms of commercial transactions have certain differences in the tax system of different countries. However, the registration process in Ventus Cloud differs only in the provision of additional information, such as name of company and VAT ID. All fields that must be filled in on this page are marked with an asterisk, and if you represent S&I B2C form of commercial communications, this information will be sufficient. But if you represent B2B form of commercial communications, you need to fill in all the specified fields including company and VAT ID. Due to differences in tax policies of different countries, it is necessary to correctly indicate the country of registration for both B2B systems and B2C systems. So, if you as well as I have already filled in all required fields, check the information you entered for this account, and if it is correct, next we need to press the button Add Client Billing Information. On the next page we need to confirm our email address, and if everything is fine, we should receive a special code on our email. In my case, I just got it, so now I need to enter this code and press Confirm Email. Only after that my new user account is considered as registered. Now, when I visit homepage of Ventus Cloud for the second time, I need to indicate only my username, which is equal to my email address, and enter a password. So, as you can see, creating a new user account in Ventus Cloud was quite simple. And what a nice bonus, 100 euros for using all services of Ventus Cloud. You should try it.